In this video, we're going to use Keynote to create a digital Christmas card. We're going to click on Keynote and we're going to choose a theme. Then we're going to select a basic black presentation. And the first thing we're going to do is create a bit of text to go in here. And I want my text to be nice and big and bold. I go up to the paintbrush and I'm going to select text. Then I'm going to double click on size and I want to make it nice and big. And I want to make it bold. Now I'm going to make my writing look a bit jazzier than just this white. So I click on text colour and I could choose a nice Christmassy colour, but I'm going to go one step further and select an image to go in the background. So I click on change image and I'm going to choose a photo from my camera roll. Now I was playing about with Keynote earlier and doing a bit of tessellation. So I'm going to choose this one and you can see that the writing has now become my little Christmas trees. Let's make the writing stand out even further. We're going to highlight the text again. We're going to go up to the paintbrush tool. And this time we are going to just head along from where it says B for bold to these 3 dots at the end. I tap on that and I'm going to scroll all the way down to where it says outline and turn that on. Now you can see that an outline has appeared around each of the characters in my Merry Christmas. I can change the colour to something a bit more festive, and I can also change the width of that line so that it really stands out. We're going to take this Christmas card one step further and make it animated. We're going to add in a motion path. Now a motion path is really cool because you can create a pathway on your Keynote slide for an object to follow. So this is a really nice way of getting things to move in a different way rather than a straight line all the time. And it's simple for children who are beginning to animate. So we could choose an image from our shape library, or we could choose a picture from our multimedia library. Today what I'm going to do is I'm going to use an emoji. So I'm going to go up to my shapes. I'm going to select text and I'm going to double tap on there and go into my keyboards to bring up my emoji keyboard. If you don't have this installed already, head into your settings and into keyboard to install it. And I'm going to select this deer. It's a bit small, I'm going to make it bigger. Okay. Now I've got my deer, I need to make it move. So I'm going to tap on my deer and in the menu that comes up, I'm going to select animate. I'm going to add in an action. And here is where I'll find the create path. So I select that and I use my finger to start on the red dot and move my object where I want it to go. Once I'm happy with it, I click on done. And this is what's called my first build. I want to make this a little bit more exciting and add in another build. So I want my deer to get a little bit smaller as it heads off the page. I'm going to click on the plus to add in another build. And because I want it to get smaller, I need to select scale. Click the cross. And here's my second build added in. When I click on motion path, it tells me how long it's going to go on for. So 3.2 seconds. If I go to scale, the duration of that is a lot less. So I want to make it about the same. Now it says 150% under scale. So that's going to make it get bigger. We want it to go smaller off the page. So we'll drag it down to about 63%. And we don't want to have to tap to make it do this. We want it to start at the same time as our motion path action so that it comes off the page at the same time. So I'm going to click on Start. This was our build 1, the motion path. So click on with build 1 and then play it to see how it looks. So nice and simple. We've added 2 animations onto the one object. We can click on Done. And if we're happy with it, we can go to the publishing tool. So the box with the up arrow. We're going to click on Export and Send. And we will select Movie from this list and click on Export. And that's going to export our movie for us. And we're going to save the video and it will go into our camera roll. So if I come out of Keynote and I go into my camera roll, you can see that my animation has appeared there.